in the BRB Bangladesh Premier League for 2015. They've lost Sohail Tanvir, who was set. He was on 19 and got knocked over.
Afrédi has got to hit this for 4 at least. Oh, it's gone up in the air. It's going a long, long way. He's got it. He's got the leading edge of the bat, and it goes sailing over for the maximum. They are absolutely over the moon. He's not. He's worried.
Oh, boom, Afrédi. Talk about timing to pull one out of the fire. Went for the Yorker, missed it, blew it, and from that position, Afrédi has smoked this over fine leg. Extraordinary stroke from one of the geniuses of the modern game. Now, they only need 2 from 2. They're on their feet here in Dhaka.
Oh, what a match this is panning out to be. This is extraordinary. Humdinger of a match. 2 runs needed of 2 balls. Keep your calm, Afrédi. One's going to take you through the super over. We'd like to finish off in this delivery. Farhad has done well so far. Another wonderful toss. That's put away. 2 sixes in a row. That's taken the game for the Sylhet Superstars. What a finish.
Oh, talk about a superstar for Sylhet. That's what you pay your money for. Boom, Afrédi. Hugs and kisses all around with the opposition. He's toyed with them. Yeah, bad luck, Mickey Arthur. Got the grimace on the face, and the heads are down for the double Ds, because Afrédi is just that. Boom, disappear if you miss your mark. Got a feel for young Farhad. He bowled some beautiful Yorkers, but right when it mattered, couldn't finish the job for the boys in blue.
Just swung them around. First one is a top edge or a leading edge, but enough power in that. He still wheels the willow very well, the Afrédi, and he's taken his team to a fantastic win. Still in with a chance.
Waves to the crowd, salutes the fans for the Sylhet Superstars. They haven't quite done enough of this in the Bangladesh Premier League of Edition 3. Such a shame, because they have got star quality, that is for sure. And Afrédi can do this to you right at the death of a game to finish it off. Exceptional talent, that is Afrédi. Lovely striking, went down, premeditated, thought the young fella's going to try and bowl some more Yorkers. Well, I'll just give him a little flick and a scoop. Watch this. Misses the Yorker to win the game. He's premeditated on one knee and says, look, son, you got to get your Yorker better than that.
Well, look at the elation. They haven't had too much to shout about in this tournament, but what a finish. Look at the players jumping out, coming out. Junaid Siddiqui in the middle there, who started things off with fantastic innings. Ravi Bapara chipping in, and very disappointed. Mickey Arthur, they needed to win this to go straight into the top.